vehicle? Check out the 2017 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.